Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how this ELV EIS for Mercedes-Benz works. Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you a quick preview of this Mercedes-Benz EIS ELV Gateway test line platform cable. And this one works for VVDI, CGDI, Autel, Mercedes-Benz programmer. So this one comes with this power adapter just like on a laptop. Right here, this one connects to your outlet, and at the other end is this connect for this piece here. As you can see, you can turn it on from here. And the one I use for the 2008 C300, that's W204, which is this line cable here. So that's the W204. This piece goes to EIS, and this one go to the EIS too, and this one is for the ELV, or the ESL, electronic steering lock, which is like this one. If this is working, so those, because three of those should connect all together, including the key. If you put them together, and it's like mimic the whole system like in the car. So that's for the 204. Let me show you what else it comes with. This one for 212, 218. The 204, I believe it's the same as the I believe that's the same as the 20, let me see, 207 and 212. So that's the same. W207, 204, and 212, like this one too. So you could use that if you have another different EIS. This is for 166, 447. It's all labeled. And this one is for 164, as you can see. And they're all different connectors. So this is a one set. They're bundled. 216, 221. And I don't know what this is. They're in Chinese. They're like, I got it from eBay, Chinese made, but they works. This one, another ELV for 208. That's for the 208. And this is 220 and 230. And I think I have something for that. Let's try this one here. This is for 209. It's a W209. That's the same thing, I think. Let me see if I can open this one up. One of the emulator that I can show you will fit here. I think this will fit there. I know. Let me see. ELV. I think this one will fit there. So that right there. See, it fits here. And that's the ISO. It says 209. So this setup here is 209, and this one will go here. See that? That's the original cable there. And you can plug this there too. See that? And this is for 202. Or something for 202 to 230. I think I mentioned that already. This one the same thing, 203 and 639. You just have to pick which bundle that you would fit for you, and they're all labeled, and you can test them individually for EIS, your key, and your ELV or ESL. And that's what I'm gonna show you, that how it works with the W204 in a minute. I'll show you that. But this one, it has connection OBD, and my Autel IM508 connected to it, so you can read the information to the ESL, EIS with your programmer. It will read it perfectly, just like having its own wire. So, all right, guys. Let's go continue to show you how it works with an actual EIS and ELV and with the key. And all right, let's get to it. Okay, so this one will check your ELV, which is your electronic steering lock, which is like we got an emulator here, and the electronic ignition switch. This is your ignition switch. So right now we're using, this is for 2008 C300 Mercedes-Benz, which is the W204. And we have plenty of connectors here that could be a different kind of Mercedes, and this one is specific for that. To check this one, if this is programmed or not, you can tell to see that it's connected and it's red, or that one is red, and I'm gonna put it in the ignition. See that, turn it on. It did not go green, it's just red, so that means this is not programmed. Let's go. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna program it here so we can bypass this is bad right here. This is the ESL electronic steering lock. This is bad, so I'm gonna program this and I'm show you how that this is working or not. All right, so this is the setup to program the emulator, because we're replacing this part with emulator. So the emulator is to emulate this part so it will start the car. So this is what you program it, and this is going to be a different video, and let me program it and show you if it's working or not. All right, so this one, the emulator, we just program it for this EIS, because these three has to match together so the car will start. So as you can see, a while ago this wasn't programmed. You see it was red, and I'll show you what it looked like when this is programmed to this EIS and this key. I'm gonna insert the key. See the green light? That means go. That means now you can start the car. Let me turn it. See that? Turn all the way, all green. That's how you check it, if this is programmed and this is working. That's good to go. All right, guys, so this is the one I'm gonna use. This is the ELV EIS gateway, so it will replicate like same as you're in a car, that you are like, it's like everything is installed in the car. So we have a lot of wires here for different kind of model, but we'll be using this ELV 204. So the same as this is for the 204. We have 204 there. Let's go ahead and connect this here, show you, and connect this here and connect our emulator. All right, then turn it on. As you can see, now it's red. Yeah. Then if I press this, put this in the car, in the key, it's green. See that? And it's all green. That means that's good to go. Do it again. So this is all programmed all together. And go watch out for my separate video for this. And that's how you program the emulator to your Mercedes-Benz C-Class 300 2008. This is a W204. I hope you enjoy it and like my video. Go ahead, like this video and subscribe, and I will have a lot of videos for you guys. And thank you for the support. And I'll see you guys next time.